With the holiday season here, it's time to capture memories spent with friends, family, and loved ones. As nice as having a professional or a mirrorless camera with you, bringing it around can be quite a hassle with all the different Christmas parties you'll be going to. It would be best if you had a smartphone that is capable of capturing great images in almost all kinds of settings. That's on top of being capable of running your games, browsing social media, and handling your day-to-day tasks. And with the Vivo V29 5G series, you can do just that. Sup peeps, Earl here of Yugatech, and in this video we'll be using both the Vivo V29 5G and the Vivo V29e 5G to shoot all our holiday festivities. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We've already done several videos showing just how capable the Vivo V29 5G and the Vivo V29e 5G are, and if you're curious to know more about in detail, you can check them out on our channel or somewhere around my face. They explain more about the camera system, shooting in low light, and more. But today, it's not about that. It's the Christmas season after all, and we're all slowly unwinding from what has been a very busy year at Yugatech. We've been going to various Christmas parties, dinners, and more, and we've been using the Vivo V29 5G series to document them. And so far, we have no complaints about these two phones' camera capabilities. One of the best things about the Vivo V29 5G series is the new Auralite 2.0 system. With Auralite, you can be sure to take great photos of events even when it's quite dark. At the same time, you can even adjust Auralite to match your outfit and the vibe you want to go by changing the color temperature. Auralite 2.0 is paired with the 64-megapixel main shooter and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter to ensure you get the best image possible for the V29e 5G. On the Vivo V29 5G, you get a triple camera system highlighted by a 50-megapixel main lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. Not to mention, you also get PDAF and OIS to assist when shooting using both the V29 5G and the Vivo V29e 5G. Both these features are great to have when shooting in low-light conditions such as events and parties at bars and clubs, since they help stabilize the image when the shutter is open for a longer time. You even have food mode on the V29 5G for everything you're about to devour. It's essentially like portrait mode, but instead of people, it's for food. You get to choose between 2x and 1x zoom, and it makes the dishes look even more mouth-watering. Just take a look at all these photos showcasing our holiday festivities. Since you have the choice between a 50-megapixel or a 64-megapixel main shooter, depending on which phone you use, you can also use it to your advantage when taking photos. Instead of zooming in, you can use high-resolution mode to capture some amazing photos and even reframe the image by cropping it in post. The AI on both phones does a great job of automatically enhancing the dark images without making them over-processed to the point you can't make out any details. This means you don't even really need to use night mode. Just keep it in the default photo mode and let the V29 5G series automatically do the work for you. Like the rear cameras, you can expect the same great quality as the 50-megapixel front camera of both devices. This means you can take some amazing selfies with everyone you know at the event, capturing timeless memories. But aside from the events and parties, the Vivo V29 5G and the Vivo V29e 5G also shine in more tight-knit celebrations like Noche Buena and dinners. Gathered together with some of your closest friends, you can take great quality photos and videos of the delicious foods you're about to partake in. When shooting video, the V29 5G is capable of recording up to 4K when shooting with the main rear camera, giving you some of the best footage possible. While the Vivo V29e 5G is limited to just 1080p, the output is still really good. Just check out the videos we were able to capture. Can you tell which one is which? During the day or in well-lit places, it's quite hard to tell the two apart. At night, you can see that the video of the V29 5G does stand out more. But that doesn't mean that the one on the V29e 5G isn't great. When you're shooting with stabilization, video capability is limited to just 1080p for both phones. But that doesn't mean that the quality suffers. Instead, it's great to take advantage of when you want to create some cinematic shots. whether it's for B-rolls or just capturing a good time and enjoying the Christmas festivities. We really enjoyed our time with the Vivo V29 5G series phones documenting the Christmas festivities. And if you want to get one, this holiday season, the V29 5G and the V29e 5G are both on sale already. The Vivo V29 5G starts at 24,999 pesos for the 12GB plus 256 variant, while the 12GB plus 512GB variant costs for 26,899 pesos. Meanwhile, the Vivo V29e 5G retails for 18,999 pesos for the lone 12GB plus 256GB variant. But there is a promo available for the V29e 5G this holiday season, with Vivo Philippines dropping the price to just 17,999 pesos. But if you had to choose one of these this holiday season, which one would you get? The V29 5G or the Vivo V29e 5G? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Although we're sure whichever one you choose, you're bound to get your money's worth. Now, if you found this video interesting or informative, do hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!